Okay, people, check this out. This is my part 2 to unboxing of the system. I'm like, what is stated in part 1, but I took too long trying to get all this stuff together. So here it is. Check it out. Take a good look at it. And here's the moment you've been waiting for. Let's see. What's the type of sound this thing makes? Oh, it does make the sound. Groovy. I'm gonna do it again. Let's turn it off. Do it again. Do it again. Now for the disc tray. Now, you got a jetpack in there. And okay, as you can see, it makes all the sounds that it said it was gonna make, but only the sounds only come on only if you press the button on the sensors on the system. It will not work if you turn the system on with the controller. $400, people, and it doesn't do it with the controller. As much as you want it to, it doesn't. Cause I know I wanted to. But you get what you get. Alright, don't forget, hit me up. My gamer tag is Legacy of Dre. And I got some people to kill in transmission.